going to call up our beautiful and handsome Rob Ruha. We're going to sing another couple of waiata for you together. Sorry, everyone's so quiet. Yes, I remember the opening of the gym. I think I was saying to Rob that was my step right back there. For the first few months of the kapahaka, I had to sit there and listen to the waiata and learn the waiata like that, sitting on that step. Then I'd come up, sing a waiata, then I'd get back on that step. Yes, me and that step are quite acquainted. So it was lovely, lovely watching the girls today from that angle again. So this waiata is a waiata that is written by a very prolific songwriter of our time, Kurikirangi Gage. It's called Koha Mai, and for me this waiata just helps me reflect and be grateful for what blessings and many blessings we all do have. It also makes me think that we need to pull each other up, not push each other down, but pull each other up, look after each other. Te aki tātou i a tātou. So that's Koha Mai in a nutshell for me. Te po ki a kore rawa engaro e tu moke noa whakaria mai to aroha whakaria mai ko aroha
was about 19 years old. And then at Maisey's mum's birthday, asked Maisey if she would sing this song with me. She goes, yeah, sing me this song. So I sent the song through. And then we're going to Scotland, my friend. We went to Scotland and we sang it for the first time there. And that was kind of like test driving. We test drove the song on the Scotland people. We came home and then we test drove the song at another big concert for another fella. He's a well-known fella from Raukokore, John Legend. And we sang it at his concert too. And then we went into the studio to record it, and it was quite special. Just our other brother Seth Hapu on the piano, and we just said, set up brother, and we'll just have a jam and see how we go. So we sang it about 3 times. We said, yeah, that'll do, let's have a listen. So we had to listen to the last take. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then Maisey goes, can we have a listen to the first time we sang it? We listened to that one, and that's the one that's on the recording that you'll hear. So we done it in one take, and we had about another whole 2 hours before the string quartet showed up, and so we're going, what do we do now? And, obviously we went for a kai.
And it's about 7 minutes long, it was 7 minutes of passion.
7 minutes of ultimate passion. So let's see if we can try and recreate that.
Koha Mai,
Waia roha ere tika
ki te moana.
Waiho ngā pikotanga kia aio Terere We haven't sung that song for a long time.
So this way at this called Hine Puko Hurangi. I'd like to acknowledge my tūhoi side as well.
To